Firstly, unplug the machine from the mains and wrap the mains cable on the rear of the machine. Remove the dirty water tank by lifting off the machine. Unscrew the fresh water fill cap and fill with fresh cold water. Once full, replace the cap. Return the dirty water tank to the top of the machine. Turn on the machine via the main key switch. Select the water quantity via the dial. Turn on the pump via the water switch on the control panel and engage Eco mode if required. Lower the suction bar via the foot pedal and engage the yellow trigger on the handle to begin cleaning. Once cleaning is complete, bring the machine to a stop. Raise the suction bar via the foot pedal and turn the machine off via the key switch. Remove the dirty water tank and the dirty water tank lid via the yellow handle. Empty the tank into a drain and clean and rinse the tank out. Empty the freshwater tank by removing the drain hose on the rear of the machine. To remove a brush or pad, tilt the machine backwards onto the handle. Push and twist to remove the pad drive or brush. Replace the pad and clean the brush in sync with the hose. Return the pad or brush to the machine by pushing and twisting. Clean the suction blades with a damp cloth. If required, remove the suction blades for replacement by squeezing together plastic lugs on the top of the holder. Remove the suction blades when replacing. Please make sure to insert all small tabs through the suction blade. Return the new suction blade to the machine by pushing back into the holder, making sure it clips into place. Clean the exterior of the machine with a microfiber cloth and place the machine on charge after use. A full charge will take approximately 3 hours.